How to know who view your BuddyPress profile. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to know who view your BuddyPress profile. By default, BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But you can add it to your website with BuddyPress Who Viewed My Profile plugin. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress Who Viewed My Profile. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extensions Settings, and Who Viewed My Profile settings. You can set up the system on this settings page. Set the tab and subtabs title, slug, and icons. Set up restrictions for visitors or specific roles. Also, email notifications and redirect URL. Let's see the results. With this plugin, users can see the visits and visitors reports from their profile. They also can see it in chart format and see the tab's visits report. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.